If you've been issued a removal order from Canada and now wish to return, you may need to apply for something called Authorization to Return to Canada, or ARC. But what documents do you need to include with your ARC application? Let's break it down clearly. First, you'll need a letter of explanation. This is where you explain what happened, take responsibility, and show why you're asking to return. Be clear, be respectful, and be honest. This letter is your opportunity to convince the officer that your situation is different now and that you can be trusted to follow the rules this time. Pay attention to this. At some point, Canada didn't want you here for whatever reason. Now you want to come back. So the real question is, what will you do differently? That's the mindset you need to have when writing your explanation and gathering your documents. Next, include proof of ties to your home country. This could be job letters, property ownership, bank records, family obligations, anything that shows you have stability and are not at risk of overstaying again. You should also include evidence that your circumstances have changed. If you were removed for working illegally or overstaying, show that your situation is now legal and stable. This could include clean police records, financial documents, or proof of employment. If someone is supporting your return, like a spouse, employer, or school, include a support letter. This shows that you're not coming back alone or aimlessly. There's a plan and there's purpose behind your return. Now, about the forms, ARC is usually submitted alongside another application, like a visitor visa, study permit, work permit, or permanent residence application. So you'll need to complete all relevant forms for that main application and include your ARC documents inside the same package. And here's something most people miss. Even if you're from a visa-exempt country like the United States, Germany, or France, you still need to apply for ARC. It must be submitted alongside your ETA, the Electronic Travel Authorization. If your removal was a deportation and Canada paid for your travel costs, you may need to repay those expenses before your ARC can be approved. To sum it up, your ARC application must show you understand what went wrong, you've changed your circumstances, you now have strong reasons to return, and you're no longer a risk to Canada's system. If you want to come back and do things the right way, contact us and let's prepare a strong, respectful application together.